And I'm Russ.
And we're with Michaela.
Join us in the adventure to save Africa's wildlife.
Going shopping in this little grocery store called People's. In the line of produce, they had a few onions, tomatoes, and some beans. As per standard procedure, the GPS doesn't have roads on it that we need, so we're
Told us to turn into a little shop.
So we found another road. Let's see what takes us there. So far, we usually find things eventually. So I think it's a little quarry at our new camp. Cool runnings. We just got set up. Met some nice people here. There's green grass. The rest of the place outside of here is brown, sandy. So this was a nice choice. We've got the vestibule set up again because it's going to be quite buggy again tonight. So this is the way we can get away from the bugs. Hi, what you doing in the car? We should find you a different spot. Come on. Oh wow. Missed the sunrise this morning. I didn't realize it came up right over the lake. So we had our first rains last night.
Huge. Puddled in our tent even.
Yeah, so we have to figure out how to make this vestibule a little better, huh? Because
I think it was a simple thing.
But we're here at Senga Bay.
Yeah, blessed rain for them. They've been needing it for months and months.
Really? Yeah. So we're walking along the beach here.
Yeah, the runoff did pull a bunch of trash down in the lake from this little village. So, unfortunately.
Yeah, the fishermen are busy at work. And people are washing themselves as well as their clothes. And kids are splashing. All kinds of activity. Actually, this lake is probably the lifeblood of these villages along this lake, wouldn't you say?
Yeah. Fishing is the big deal.
Fishing is the big deal, right. They fish for themselves as well as for their family. I mean, as well as for others. When they bring in a big catch, apparently there's people there who will auction, as an auction kind of thing, where you can bid for what you want. If you want the whole catch, part of the catch, and that's how it goes. Come along, join us. Join the adventure. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, Michaela Wildlife.